lasted. So welcome to another sweaty vlog, and also a very fly infested vlog. Now, as you can see, it was very easy to get to this idyllic picnic spot, but it was only easy because we have all the kit, including my super all-terrain trolley. So now, thanks to the all-terrain trolley, we're at this idyllic and remote wild picnicking spot. We have all the kit required, all the accessories required for that wild picnicking atmosphere. I've set up the table, my trusty old portable gas stove is ready, all the cooking utensils. On these adventures, I do all the cooking. Tracy does the cooking at home, I do the cooking on the wild picnicking adventures. Now, nothing's gone wrong with these sausages. We like black sausages when we're wild picnicking.
Hang on there, got it?
Yeah.
Got it? He did it! He did it! He did it!
I'm in my pan!
I'm in my knickers!
Right, darling, are you going to do some more GoPro action?
Aye.
There you go. Right.
Nearly went. Ooh.
Hey! Have you got it on camera? Are you alright, darling? Are you alright? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just can't get up. Anyway, while I'm here, let's just have a look under the water.
So I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog and that you've learnt loads about the kit that you need to be a successful wild picnicker. There's not going to be an awkward ending to this one because my grandson Finley has told me how to do it. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Until next time, stay tuned.
Take the vlogs, I don't let them on my page, so I just actually would like some pictures that I can put on. Like a nice picture by a waterfall, why wouldn't you do that?